B12 Miracle by Bhopal Pigeons contains vitamin B12, which is also known as cobalamin or methylcobalamin. B12 Miracle plays a crucial role in the health and performance of racing pigeons. Here are some key benefits which we are giving. So it helps in the energy metabolism. B12 Miracle contains purest form of vitamin B12, which is essential for converting carbohydrate, fats, and proteins into energy. So this is particularly important for racing pigeons as they require sustained energy during long flights. And secondly, it helps in the formation of red blood corpuscles, which are also known as RBC. So B12 Miracle aids in the production of this RBC, which are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. So it improves the oxygen delivery, enhances endurance and performance during races also. So third benefit is it helps in supporting nervous system. B12 Miracle contains vitamin B12, which helps in supporting the proper functioning of the nervous system, ensuring optimal coordination and reflexes, which are critical for navigation and flight also. So the fourth benefit which you can get it from B12 Miracle is immune system boost. So B12 Miracle helps in maintaining a healthy immune system. So it reduces the risk of infections, illness that could hinder a pigeon racing performance. And the fifth benefit, it helps in the muscle repair and growth. Vitamin B12 is involved in protein synthesis, which is vital for muscle repair and growth. So this helps pigeons recover faster after a strenuous flight. And the sixth benefit which we can give with B12 Miracle to the pigeons is appetite and digestion. It promotes a healthy appetite and aids in digestion, ensuring that the pigeon absorbs all the nutrition efficiently with the diet. So the next benefit is stress reduction. Racing pigeons often experience stress due to training and competition. So vitamin B12, which is in B12 Miracle, it helps in mitigate stress and supports overall well-being. And it also helps in feather health. Healthy feathers are crucial for flight efficiency. So B12 Miracle contributes to the maintenance of strong and healthy feathers. So how we can give this supplement to our racer pigeons? Dose of vitamin B12, which is in B12 Miracle, it is just 20 ml per liter of water. In a week, you can give it thrice or twice to the racer pigeons during training. So in summary, we can say that vitamin B12, which is in B12 Miracle, is vital for overall health, energy, performance of racing pigeons, making it an important component for their care regimen. So use B12 Miracle by Bhopal Pigeons and keep your pigeons healthy and fit during flight. Thank you for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.